So guys, welcome back to TechZ channel. Today we are going to talk about Mi Band 5, which was launched before 2 weeks. So let's start about Mi Band 5 now. So Mi Band was launched before 2 weeks, and talking about differences between Mi Band 4 and Mi Band 5. Mi Band 5 is slightly bigger in 1.1 inches, and Mi Band 4 display size is 0.95 inches. There is no much difference, but the bezels in a Mi Band 5 is too small. The resolution is increased in Mi Band 5, and it comes with a 2.5D tempered Gorilla Glass panel, and there is 100 new watch faces which is introduced in. There are new sports modes introduced in Mi Band 5: outdoor running, treadmill, yoga, cycling, and many more. Then improved sleep tracking in Mi Band 5 has implemented, and it collects the data in the sleep patterns, rapid eye movement, and data collected. The app will suggest you how to improve the sleep quality. Also, the Mi Band 5 also comes with SpO2 monitoring. This was absent in Mi Band 4. The tracker can apparently detect the blood oxygen saturation levels in every second for 8 hours in a row, and that's the total of 28,800 reading in a span of 8 hours. The continuous SpO2 monitoring is also aimed improving sleep quality. It will work with Mi Band 5 sleep tracking function to provide more comprehensive sleep quality feedback. And another one thing in Mi Band 5 is the charger has been developed to magnetic charger, and there are voice assistants like Alexa and Google, which is implemented in Mi Band 5. And there is a microphone present in Mi Band 5 also. The battery capacity is 100 mAh, and the sensors present in it is heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, NFC, accelerometer, barometer, proximity sensor, and it comes with 14-day battery life as it is advertised. It totally depends on your usage. It can receive notifications like calls, messages, app notifications, calendar, music controls, and Find My Phone is also available on it. Colors are black, blue, pink, and purple, yellow, grey. These are new colors coming on Mi Band 5 now. So that's it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure to like the video and subscribe it.